to him. Let's see what we got here, Steve. Alright, what do we got for Steve? Alright, I think we gotta give it to Steve here. Down.
That was close, really.
Yeah, it was close. Sounds great. Really good, bro. Good shit, bro. Thanks, bro. Alright, who do I got next? Oh, Tommy Caprio in his 1970 Cadillac. And who is this in gray? And we have Jordan in an 05 GT. Pull it up a little bit, pal.
Keep that in the way.
Alright, Jordan and Tom. Alright, Tommy, let's see what you got, Tommy. Yeah, I'm liking that, Jordan, let's see what you got in that shot. What do we got, guys? What do we got for Jordan? What do we got? What do we got for Tommy? I think Tommy's gonna take this one. Jordan, thanks a lot, pal. Appreciate it, bro. Tommy, you can roll around and Dominic from Connecticut. Dominic came a long way. We actually met in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and he became a member, and now he came down to his show for the first time. Let's stage yourself now. And we got Ruiz in his 14 GT. Alright, so let me hear what you got there, Ruiz. Kick it off for us. You, go ahead. Something shoot. Alright, that was good. I like that one. Alright. Dominic, let me hear what you got there, bro. Alright. Yeah, Dom, you got that one. Yo, really. Crowd, let's go. What do we got for Rez? Alright, guys, what do we got for Dominic? Alright, guys. Yo, thanks, Rose. Yo, Dominic, pull it out. This is Tour in a 16 Ford F-150 going against Marino in an 07 GT. Let's start it off with we're going to kick it off for Marino. He pulled up nice and hot. He's waiting for his girlfriend to come out. There she comes. Alright. Alright, Marino. On you, bro. Oh, wait. Okay. Alright. Let's see what we got here, Tour. Give it to me, bro. We gotta give it to him, alright? I think you said okay, I can't eat, I'm going on. Yo. Wow. Yeah. Yo, to it.
Oh, see everyone?
Yeah. What the And we got Justin in a 13 Camaro. Alright, so Hogan, I get a little quiet on the set? Get a little background. Alright, Hogan. Let me hear what you got there, Hogan. Alright, sounds healthy. Sounded good. Alright, let me hear what you got here in that Camaro. Alright. Alright, let's hear it for Hogan. And let's hear it for the Camaro. Alright. Camaro moving around, Hogan. Thank you. Alright, back at it now. We got our Caddy. We got Tommy Caprio here in a 1970 Caddy. Blow your eardrums out. Going against Steve in his Ford Model T bucket. Smack you in the head with your bucket. Alright, so let's hit him off. Let's hit him off, Tommy. What do we got here, Tom? Alright. Alright, we're gonna have to hit him up here. Thank you. Alright, by show of hands, what do we got for that Caddy? Alright, what do we got for the Model T? Alright, buddy. You move around to the next round. You're going out to the final. Thank you so much. Alright, now we got Dominic and Stewart. Dominic and Stewart. These guys are loud. If I was near anybody back up, get ready. Who do you want to hear first? Stewart? Or Dominic? Alright. Dominic, hit it up. Alright, that was good. That was good. Stewart. Alright. What? What? So, by crowd, we got Dominic. And we got Stewart. Alright guys, I was looking pretty close and come on, one more time here. Let's hear it for Dominic. Let's hear it for Stewart. You guys suck.
I don't know. Why? I don't know. One more time.
Alright, one more time. Hold on, let me back up. Go ahead, Dominic. Let me hear what you got. Go ahead, Dom. Hit it, Dom. All right. Go ahead, do it. Hit it. All right. One more time, Dominic. Let me hear it, guys. All right, do it. All right, I gotta give it to Dominic, man. I really do. Alright, since started up already, we're gonna give it with Justin with the Camaro. Justin, hit it up. Let me hit it up. Okay, alright. Let's hit it up here, folks. Let's see what we got here, Steve. got here for the crowd, here for Justin? What do we think, guys? All right, shut them off, shut them off, shut them off. I gotta get a crowd. What do we got here for Justin? What do we got here for Steve? All right, all right. That was good, that was good. Justin, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Steve? Represent. All right, now we're gonna let you go first. We're gonna let you start it up. Remember, we gotta ride home. Don't break nothing, but do what you gotta do. Let's go. Hit it. All right.
Holy shit!
All right. You're in a bad spot.
What?
Wow.
Yo, new verse full, bro.
Let me get it again, Dominic. Give me again, Dominic. Steve, give me Steve. Let me get it. All right. All right, guys, kill it. Let me hear the crowd here. What do we got for Dominic? What do we got for Steve? One more time for Dominic. One more time for Steve. Alright, I gotta give it to him. Steve, congrats, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks for participating. Dominic, thank you so much, bro.
Thank you, Dominic, buddy.